inner circle ni Lisa Marcos, ang specific na kasama dyan ay si Mel Robles at si RJ Nieto. Yan ang Black Ops team ni Lisa Marcos. So ang ano niyan is, RJ, huwag ka nang magtago. Huwag ka nang magtago sa likod ng maskara mo.
Yeah.
Dahil it's no use. You know, there are a lot of people in the know, in the political, even in the business world, knew what you did. You know what you did to them, to me, to other people. Kasi ang RJ, this is your problem eh. Your problem really is you cannot be contented. Okay? Alam sabi ng mga tao, bakit si RJ? Kasi alam ko po kung sino ang mga nagpa-planning behind this. Ang inner circle ni Lisa Marcos